tree. F is for frog. G is for glasses. G is for game. H is for hand. H is for hut. I is for igloo. I is for ice cream. J is for jelly. J is for juice. Oh, everybody now. K is for keyboard. K is for kangaroo. L is for ladybug. L is for lion. N is for mouse. M is for monkey. N is for needle. N is for nest. O is for orange. Oh, everybody now. P is for pony. P is for pig. Q is for queen. Q is for question. R is for rabbit. R is for rainbow. S is for sun. S is for snow. T is for table. T is for tiger. Whoa, everybody now. U is for umbrellas. U is for unicorn. V is for violin. V is for volcano. W is for weasel. W is for wheels. X is for x-ray. X is for xylophone. Y is for yacht. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Z is for zip. Oh, everybody now. Now that I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me?
Be sure to subscribe to our channel and we'll
Goodbye.
see you in
Bye-bye.
our next
See you
video.
again soon.
Bye bye.